come out?
Looked like it did.
Make sure. There was a mattress that got stuck. Yeah, hopefully y'all can hear me, but two of my trucks went down, my 2500 and my 3500 dually, so I'm having to use my 1500. It has airbags on it, but it does okay. It's not ideal for pulling these dumpsters. Yeah, the 1500 isn't ideal, but this is a little 10-yarder, so it's not that big of a deal. But we're about to go pick up a 20-yarder, so it may give us some trouble. We'll find out. All right, just got back to the yard. This is my yard. Like I said, I hadn't made a video in a while, but I bought that Connex. There's a dumpster out by the road. I got to paint the front of it. I'm just dropping this 10-yard off. But so I rent from those dumpsters all the way this way. So there's a couple of the new ones, stuff like that. Yeah, we're just gonna drop these off. I gotta go pick up another 20. No deliveries today, but got 2 deliveries tomorrow. Oh, it's a little chilly. It's a little chilly out today. Yeah, we woke up this morning, it was like almost 40 degrees, which it's been like 80 degrees. But I don't know, we had a cold front come in or something, but it's cold. Especially in the shade. Woo! Got way too many dumpsters at the yard right now. Need to get these jokers out. Yeah, I just bought this Connex. I had a little banner up here, but I bought the Connex so I can store stuff up here. And not really just store stuff, but it'll be just a nice banner, to be honest. So I'm gonna put a flag up there. I got a dumpster. So this is a main highway right here. By the way, this isn't any of my trash. It's just people dumping stuff. But I'm gonna put my logo on this billboard. I painted it gray, so that's what I'm gonna do. So it'll act as a big billboard. And then I got a dumpster kind of up here as advertisement. But yeah, I already welded, I'm gonna put an American flag right there and get it welded up, so. But all right, let's go pick up this 20-yarder. All right, we're picking up this 20-yarder. See if it's locked up. Sure is. See how much stuff's in it. Oh, it's a good bit of stuff. We'll take this. All right, back this thing up. Yeah, so these dumpsters, I just got them not long ago. I bought 6 new ones. Got some water in there. Need to charge these batteries up. Put my safety lock on. I don't have the arms yet. I need to get them. So that's it for that one. Let's go to the landfill. All right, we got to go take a 20-yard, actually 2 20-yards and a 10-yarder. But me and Dad are putting up this sign. I showed y'all yesterday. I got to get this painted with my logo and stuff. And I just had this one up here for kind of advertising. But we're gonna put this little rent me sign. You'll see. So let's see. This goes in here. I usually have this every spring, but I'm a little late. I think we're missing another one. Are we missing another one?
Shouldn't be.
I think we are. I think we're missing one more.
Right there.
No, that's the flagpole.
Oh, that's the long one.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I think this goes.
There you go.
Maybe it goes this way. Oh, okay. See, we weren't missing one. Okay. All right, let me see, Dad. Slide this joker all the way. Hold on. There we go. There we go. Oh, yeah, buddy. Is that it?
Not yet.
Is it stuck? Let me see. There we go. Like that. Hold it like that. There we go. All right, let it go. Wait, why does it look like that though? Why does it look like that? Hold on a second. No. Something ain't right with that. Needs to be.
Hang it, put it up and see if it stays upright.
It's supposed to be like this.
There you go. Ah, there we go.
Is that better?
Yeah, that's a lot better. Kind of looks messed up, son.
Does it?
Yeah.
Why?
Don't plug it. Don't put that down.
It's fine. It's good enough. I have to keep that on though.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good.
Oh yeah. There she is. Rent me. Rent the dumpster. Rent me. You think it'll go anywhere? Good work.
You got that thing in the ground good.
Yeah.
Not going nowhere.
All right.
The wind is good.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Look who's with us. Mr. Woody.